just go? Can we just go? Figure out where we're going. Can we just
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be testing out HelloFresh for a week, seeing if it's truly affordable, convenient, and ideal for a college student, because I know I've seen a ton of videos here on YouTube about it and about like how great it is, all the sponsored content, but is it truly as great as they say? Does it live up to the hype? Ordered 3 meals from them, got them shipped today, and I actually ended up cooking all 3 meals this afternoon. If you're interested in seeing if it was truly worth it, all my thoughts, just stay tuned till the end. So I went online, I just ordered it, and I will show you what I selected for my meals to be, because they let you select them. I selected this balsamic tomato and herb chicken because it sounded pretty good, and it's like a spaghetti situation, and I'm always down for, you know, pasta. We're gonna try that. This balsamic, I guess I'm on the balsamic kick as I'm seeing here now. Big chicken, and it's supposed to have roasted tomatoes and some greens because we want to have the vegetable content still going, and then some ballpark style sloppy joes, which I don't really eat sloppy joes that often, so I think it'd be fun to experiment with that. I'm gonna get 2 servings for each one, so that should definitely last me throughout the week. Now that you see, I ordered it, I selected it, I customized it all to my own preference. I decided to only do 3. You could do, I think, up to 4, and I did that because I was, again, testing this out, seeing if it was going to be, you know, practical or ideal for me. I wanted to make sure I had enough meals to make it a good bit through the week, but then also be able to supplement with things that I already had prepared or already knew I could just go to the store and pick up. And then I also selected the 2-person meal versus the 4-person meal, just because I know I was going to be preparing it for me, maybe me and my roommate. But as far as the prep and like the selection and all that, I would get it a 9 out of 10. I think it was well done. I do think that this is definitely a great alternative, especially if you're cooking for yourself or just like a few people and you don't want to waste like food, or you want to make sure everything's pre-portioned, or you have no clue what you're doing in the kitchen. This is just a great opportunity to kind of find a place to start. So we are currently heading to go pick up the HelloFresh. It says it's delivered, so we're gonna see if it's out there and bring it inside and see what this is all about. Okay, so the package is here. This is what it looks like. So obviously I'm gonna show you guys the top because that has my sensitive information on it. And now we see the box is finally here. So today I'm going to unbox it all, show you what comes in it. Of course, this is not sponsored, obviously. We're gonna cook some of these meals. We're going to unbox, see what's in here. I kind of already know because I hand selected what was gonna come for this week. Enough babbling, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Pull out my scissor to the actual box, the good stuff. The stuff you guys probably came here for and were curious about learning about and uncovering the truth like I am. So on top it tells you like all the recipes and all the meals. I have in here ballpark style sloppy joes with moss, green pepper, and potato wedges. So we also have this balsamic big chicken. And then another thing I'm really excited about that I selected was the balsamic tomato and herb chicken. I guess I'm really into this balsamic stuff. Over buttery garlic spaghetti. Let's continue on with the box. Okay, so this is the ballpark sloppy joes bag. This is the balsamic tomato and herb chicken stuff. This one is the balsamic fig chicken.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, a bit later, as you can tell, I glowed up a little bit, put on a little makeup. So we're gonna continue on with the cooking. As like cost goes, I would say it's 7 out of 10, just because it is kind of expensive and what I would pay for a food delivery service. I would definitely not recommend doing it every single week, but every now and then, if you know maybe you have like a heavy exam week and you don't really want to think about all that goes into meal prepping, maybe that would be a good option there. Or if you know you're going to be like a Friendsgiving or something like that and you want to make a, you know, a nicer meal or something, you could do it then. Those are great opportunities to do it, but I just would not do it every single week, and that's enough on that. So moving moving on to the next category, I would say the actual like packaging, 8 out of 10. I did like how everything was laid out easily on top. The recipes in and of themselves, very easy to read. Clearly told you everything that was included in there, gave you pictures, laid everything out well. I would say keep in mind that there's some stuff that you're going to have to supplement and bring on your own, like salt, pepper, butter, olive oil, obviously pots and pans, that you do have to have certain things handy with you before you make the meal. Convenience wise, I would definitely give that a 9 out of 10 because all the meals only took like 5 to 10 minutes to prep and then about 30 to 35 minutes to actually cook. Would recommend doing it again. Now, like I said before, I wouldn't do it every week, but I would do it, you know, every now and then. I would give it 2 thumbs up. Definitely worth somewhat of the hype. So if you're interested in checking out any of these meals, make sure to check out the description down below. I'll leave the recipes down there and then also the website for HelloFresh. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.